Welcome to Coding Locker, guys. Hope you are having a great day. And for me, it's a busy day. It's been since morning. I'm recording this playlist, the React tutorial for beginners, and around 8 or 10 videos I have created so far. So kind of long day for me. I'll create a last video for the day and resume tomorrow probably. For this part, what we will do, we'll try to. This will be a short video in what we will just dynamically add the style. Also, we will see how we can dynamically add the class as well. So I'm going to continue with the previous projects, the same project what I'm continuing from the first part. So here you can, if you remember that in the past, in the last video, we have added this inline CSS example. This is the inline CSS. So what if I want to make any changes based on some conditions? So how do I make that change? We'll see that. So for that, let's suppose if this dot state dot show employee, which is what is the value at we have the true value, let it be false at first, and if the value changes, we need to change the some CSS as well. So copy this one, maybe my style dot background color, let's try to set it to white, and also I want to set the color as well to black. Let's control S. Now let it compile at first. As you all know, it takes 10 or 15 seconds. Then I'll click on this button. Yeah. Now we can click on the button. Now you can see we have the black color right now. If I hide this one, you can see we have the green button here. Yeah, this one actually, the button. So we have added the style to this button one, and the button color is getting changed on one condition. So this is how we can dynamically set the styles. Similarly, if you want to add a dynamically class name, let's suppose you have where it is our app.css. Here we are. So let's suppose you have app.css, and let me copy this. Maybe app new class, or yeah, new class, or anything. Let me add some color here. So let me add the color to green. Now what I want in the app.js, same, let me take in a variable here. So let's suppose let app class, which is app by default at page load, and this would be changed to what? You have guessed it correctly, to app with color, like this. Perfect. And instead of the hard-coded app, we can now provide the dynamic value here like this. So at first, app class, which is initiated with app, and app does not have any color, so we should see this in a black one. After that, it is converting into the where we are, app with color, and app with color will have the green color. So let's see. Let me click on this. It is not apply. It should have applied. Let me refresh maybe. Yeah, sometimes refresh works for us. So that is all I wanted to showcase, guys. That is all for this video, and this is all for today. I'll resume probably tomorrow for the next part of videos on React. So far, kindly let me know if I have missed any React feature, and anything you want to add for this video or for any video. I would really happy to answer your queries. So far, thank you for being at Coding Locker, and guys, I would request please to subscribe Coding Locker. That would really help me in motivating and creating the more videos for you. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Thank you for being at Coding Locker. Have a nice day. See you soon. See you tomorrow with more videos.